Can a lawyer be summoned just for giving legal advice to their client? On July 29, the Supreme Court heard a suo motu case titled Summoning Advocates Who Give Legal Opinion or Represent Parties During Investigation of Cases and Related Issues, triggered after the ED issued summons to two top lawyers, Arvind Dattar and Pratap Venugopal, over legal opinions they gave. Senior lawyers and bar associations strongly objected. Senior advocate Vikas Singh said, "If lawyers are summoned routinely, no one will dare advise on sensitive cases." He demanded judicial oversight before summoning a lawyer, with SP-level approval and magistrate sign-off. Senior advocate Atmaram Nadkarni slammed the ED's internal rule, requiring directors nod as neither here nor there. He said probing a lawyer's devices or client files violates confidentiality and may even amount to contempt of court. Attorney General Venkat Ramani clarified he does not support summoning lawyers. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta said a lawyer cannot be summoned just for giving advice unless it breaches Section 126 of the Evidence Act. But he cautioned immunity is not automatic, it must stay within legal limits. Senior advocate Siddharth Luthra said that ED may link lawyers' fees to proceeds of crime, a dangerous precedent. Senior advocate Shoaib Alam cited how the bank account of Amarchand Mangaldas was frozen over such claims. CJI BR Gawai responded, "We are not against summoning if a lawyer assists in crime, but not for giving legal advice alone." This suo motu case began after Justice Vishwanathan's bench stayed a police summons to a lawyer, warning it could cripple legal independence and fair trial rights. Legal advice does not mean criminal complicity. Supreme Court to frame guidelines. Matter resumes August 12. The fight is on to protect lawyers, client privilege, and the justice system itself. To stay updated on the issue, stay tuned to LiveLaw. For daily news and legal explainers, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.